Okay, awesome. So welcome everybody. I see most of you guys on here already have the MetaTrader 4 app. Is that another app? Yes, there's also another app that has been provided for us to download. It'll be TradingView, and that's going to give you the charts. So let me go ahead and log in real quick from my phone so I can show you guys exactly what this looks like, okay? And Isla, you probably want to turn off your phone because I can hear the background.
I'm on mute now.
Okay, perfect. So let me go in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to MetaTrader 4. So you're going to see these two apps right here on the bottom. MetaTrader 4 looks like that. Hold on, sorry. MetaTrader 4 looks like that on the bottom, and then TradingView looks like that. So go ahead and download those as well. So let's find out, what has everyone been learning? What have you guys been learning from the study halls? Go ahead and unmute your guys yourself. Let's make it super interactive. I want to find out what you guys know, what you guys don't know. Some of you guys might know more than me. The way that I learn is different from everybody else. Me and Simon have been up late nights, and we have been learning actively on the demo account. So if all of you guys have your demo account, you know that you start with $100,000 of Monopoly money, pretty much, right? It's all play money. And you guys can see when you start off in the blue, right? Blue is true. It's always going to be a good thing when you are in blue. Now, being on, what are you confused about, Jen?
How to use it to get it, do all this on here.
Oh, that's why we're on here. Go ahead and keep your ears open and get your notepad out. So we're going to go over it right now. So what you want to do is just have it downloaded. Okay, make sure you got the app downloaded, have the TradingView app. Now, I'm only going to give you what I know, and it's not going to be as much as some already have, like, a lot of experience. But with me and Simon, what we know is, like, the way we're learning, and it helps us learn. And I don't know why it keeps cutting me out here on my app. So the way it's helping us is, the way that we're learning is we're actually trading in the live market under our demo account. So if you guys aren't using that, make sure you guys jump on that and use the actual app so you can learn how to read charts and trade and get on there to look at it, right? For me, the way I learn is you have to actually physically jump on there. So I jump on the MetaTrader 4 app, right? Now what we're looking at is my balance sheet. Everyone's going to have a balance sheet. Again, don't be afraid to use this and get on it and research out there. We've done hours and hours of YouTube researching, getting on the study halls, getting on the live sessions. And now I feel confident enough to where when there's a signal that's being sent out on the Telegram app, right? They send out the Epic Forex signal. Simon and I now, because of just messing around with the demo account, we know if we could get a signal, we know how to now go in the market, whether we're entering it on a sell or whether we're going and buying into the market. Okay. And again, we're super fresh on this, so this is still new to us. So we're, of course, everyday learning. But what I want you guys to know is I've heard on one of the trainings that Coach Max did, because there's so many, and they're all combined in one big old video for me. So I remember her vividly saying that do not get a live account until you can get 10 to 15 in profit in blue trades completed on your demo account. Okay, so you guys can see here all the reds are the money that I lost. So this is when I was doing 0.01. If you guys don't know the 0.01, right, I'm going to show you guys what that even means. 0.01 is we're going to look at this right here. Okay, and it logged me out again. Hold on one second. This is really impromptu. Okay, so So everyone should have this to sign up. I mean, to sign up. Everyone should have this somewhere on their phone. They should have this somewhere in their house. You need to print this out. Eventually, over time, you're going to actually remember this chart. I don't yet, but you'll know your actual bankroll that you're going to be putting in this live account. So these are the trading lot. This is the trading lot conversion chart. Okay. So when you start out, you're going to start out at 0.01. That's your lot size on how much. Okay. How do we set up the demo account? Okay. Awesome. Let's start there. Okay, Trisha. Perfect. So you don't have a demo account yet. So we're going to go back to here. You're going to go right here. Okay. Simon, can you give me a thumbs up? Can you see my screen? You're muted.
Yes, we could see your screen.
Okay, perfect. So what you're going to do is click on new account. So right here, you're going to go to settings on your MetaTrader 4 account. And then if I'm going too fast, you guys just let me know. All right. So this is how you go. Yeah, it asks for a company. Okay, so perfect. You're going to go to new account. I already created my account, but I think I could open up another one. So open the demo account. All right. So you're going to go right here. See, it's not, for some reason, it's not showing on the, what I'm doing.
Yeah, it's not.
Hold on. Hold on real quick. Let me find out why it's not showing.
There might be like a lag from what you're doing to what it's actually showing.
Well, it doesn't say that I'm sharing. Hold on. Okay, so what you're going to do is, it just keeps logging me out for my phone. So we're going to go to the MetaTrader app. Going to click on new account. You're going to go to open a demo account. And then right here, what you're going to type in, the company, you're going to type in the broker, Hugo's Way. Okay. Click on Hugo's Way 3. See that right there? And click on Hugo's Way right there, demo 3. Click on that. And this is going to be, you'll set up your name, set up your phone number, set up your email, and you could just leave the conversion, the leverage, and deposit that. Okay, boom. Once you do that, you register. Obviously, I'm already registered, so you'll register that. So who asked that? Trisha. Okay, awesome. Anyone else need help with that part? Or is everyone good? Type 1111 if you guys already set up this part of the MetaTrader app. 1111. Just so I can see everybody. So you want to do Hugo's Way. There's another one that I don't know if you guys caught it, but there's another one right here that says Prosperity on my app. That is for the to trade during the weekends with the crypto. But a lot of, I don't want to say a lot, there's some that trade during the weekends and there's some that don't. So Hugo's Way does not trade on the weekends. Okay. I have Android demo. Good. Okay. Setting up now. Awesome. Why is the leverage 1.500? That is a great question, Auntie Cindy. I do not know why. Simon, do you know why?
No.
I don't know why. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I know why. I don't know.
And this is because, remember, we're all new to Forex, but this is a great time for us to write down the questions that we can't answer for you guys, because we're going to do a Q&A with Tracy Johnson tomorrow. So that's why I wanted to really do this impromptu training for those that are just logged on, because I want us to at least be on the same page so that when she's talking about things, we at least have some idea of, what to be asking her. And just so we're all on the same kind of level, so that tomorrow it's the most valuable time spent with her. So any questions that we can't answer today or get through, let's write them down, and then we're going to do that and get them answered with Tracy tomorrow.
Auntie Cindy, you might as well write all your questions down now for tomorrow. So,
Derek.
Yes.
Hi, this is Aretha. I apologize. I have a question. So when it says deposit, it has an amount in there. for
Right.
USD, do we leave that amount and just
Yep.
click
Just,
next
yep. Just
or
click.
register? Okay.
Yeah, just register. That's 100,000.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I have a question.
Yes.
So I told you I have the Epic RT demo or the MetaTrader 4 Android demo. What's the difference between that and Hugo's?
Hugo's a broker. MetaTrader is going to be your app that you're going to log into.
Okay, so I'm in MetaTrader right now.
On 4,
I
does it
take,
look like the app that like this symbol
yeah,
right here?
yeah,
Okay, click on that.
yeah,
And then it says open a demo account.
yeah. I'm on the demo account. It says Epic RT demo.
Epic RT.
Yeah, I don't know why. It says FX Choice Classic demo. I learned that from one of the classes I think we were in. So I don't know where to go to do new accounts from the MetaTrader.
Epic RT. I don't.
Oh,
So
I could hit the, okay, I hit the cross, I hit the X, I mean the plus sign, it says open a demo account. So I can just open up as many demo accounts as I want?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So the only two choices I have is FX Choice Classic Demo or Meta Quotes Demo.
You can't enter a company name.
It
On the
says you
top.
search, okay, it does say you can search for a broker.
There
So
you
want
go.
me to put in
Hugo's
Hugo?
Way. Yeah, type in Hugo's Way on
Okay,
that.
I
on
found
that
it.
bar.
Okay, I got you. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. A lot of the traders, they'll use Hugo's Way. They use Hugo's Way. Everyone's different, you know. As you start to grow and find your niche and all that good stuff, you're going to be able to find out what works for you. Again, remember, trading is like the trainers all trade differently. Everyone's different on how they trade. Everyone has their own way of doing things, right? So because someone does one thing one way doesn't mean that necessarily everyone's going to do it that way. So just know that part, right? Everyone kind of does it, and you got to find out what works for you. So before we move forward, is there any other questions for setting up the MetaTrader app with Hugo's Way as a broker? Looks like everyone's said 111. Everyone's good. Got it all set up. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, cool. Awesome. All right. So now the Trading View app, I don't have no idea on the actual Trading View chart. I don't know about that yet. I haven't set up my charts. Again, the way that I learn is what me and Simon have been doing is we've been jumping on the live sessions every night, and what we're doing is we're listening to what they're saying. I personally like Elise. She's the trainer that she has the glasses. She was on last night with Domo 30, which is Dominique Finantanant or something. His last name's like that, Dominique F. But he's really good. He trains to where I can understand. So again, Elise is a little bit more advanced, and I didn't know like a lot of her lingo that she's using. Like there's just a lot of like trade lingo still that I'm not privy to, but I know that she's breaking it down simple for you to understand. Once we figure out the lingo and the language, then we'll be able to kind of match those two. But Dominique, he was definitely someone that for me, I was able to understand his trading a little bit. It was really easy for me to understand it, and him sending out the signals was pretty simple. Hold on. So I'm going back here. So what I wanted to go over is just real quick, just how to, and right now is kind of a bad time to like go. We're not going to be able to go in here because everything is closed, right? They're closed on Fridays. But as you can see, there's nothing moving. So we're going to go to the charts. But
Or you can try to go to crypto, D.
Crypto, huh? Just
Yeah.
to see the actual.
Just to, like to see the action and what they have today.
So let me see. So when you guys have yours like this, what I did was there's a bunch of them that are added on here already. So I just hit the plus sign. Oh, I'm sorry. I just hit advance. Nope, I didn't do. Yep, I hit advance, and I hit the little pencil on the top left. And what I did was I cleared out any of them that I didn't like, that I knew that I wasn't actually going to focus on trading. So what they want you to do is pick 1, 2, 3, 4, pick a few of them, and then that's how you're really going to master that specific pair, right? I don't even know if I'm using the right terminology, but that's how you're going to pinpoint which one you're actually learning and pinpoint which one that you're going to learn on the graph, right? So for me, I've been learning the NAS 100, that's NASDAQ, and then I kind of messed around with gold, which is XAU USD, and then last night I was messing around with JUR 30 and then US 30, okay? These are US 30, JUR 30, that was what Dominic was doing last night. So I learned that. He was also doing NAS 100, that's NASDAQ, and then the XAUS USD gold. So again, everyone that trains, they all trade differently. So you have to find out which, I guess, pair that you want to look into, and then you could find out which one you want to keep on your I guess your list, so to speak. So of course I'm going to add more on here, take more off the ones I don't use. So let's go into.
Hey, Derek, before you move on,
Yeah.
now you're on an iPhone. Maybe that's why yours is different. But like mine doesn't say like advanced and simple, but I do have the pencil and the plus sign. But like for instance, I don't have the NAS 100. So how do I get that?
So you have to add that. So that's a great question. So let's go to the plus sign.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna go to search. Now these are all different ones. So like Simon was just talking about cryptos, right? You see cryptos right there, the third one. So what you're gonna want to do is just, I haven't even clicked through all these yet. All I did was last night was I knew that I wanted to learn about US 30, so I just typed it in here. I typed in US and then 30 on the search bar. So boom, US 30 is the Dow Jones. Everyone's heard of Dow Jones. I'm not going to sit here and lie. I don't even know what the heck the Dow Jones is, but I've always seen on the news, right? Dow Jones is up, Dow Jones is down. So, but from what I heard from Elise, like when you're looking into NASDAQ, NAS 100 is,
US 30 and NAS, it's not Forex.
it's not Forex,
Like,
right?
Yeah.
But they are, the NAS 100 is actually a lot of top 10 companies. Yeah, the tech companies that are actually all put together. I don't know why it's not popping up. Maybe because I already have it.
Yeah.
Because it's not on here. I think that one's under indexes. So you'll look under here, under indexes. It's not there either. Let me just search it. NAS 100. So it's not popping up. But you just search it, Alicia. Just go on there and search it.
Yeah, I found it. I found
Okay.
it by searching.
Perfect. So you look at Forex majors. So this is going to be the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This is when they're talking about pairing, right? Find the pair that you want to study on. US dollar versus Canadian dollar, US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So you can add these. You just press the plus, press the plus, press the plus. And then now.
AD, a lot of people, they said they can't access it. Like, what phone do they use? Probably you can ask them. You can unmute it so we can talk to you.
Yeah. It's not coming up for me either right now.
I'm on an iPhone, but it's not coming up. Maybe because it's not trading right now?
Well, you should be able to see what I see for sure, right?
You're supposed to add it still, yeah.
You should, yeah, you still should be able to add the different.
I'm hitting the little plus sign in the upper right-hand corner and then trying to find it.
What happens when you hit the plus sign?
You have to go to the advanced instead of the simple, I think.
Well, for me, it's simple. It pops up either way for me on the iPhone.
No, it's NAS 100, right?
Yeah, NAS 100, yeah.
Is it MetaTrader 4?
Yep.
Hold on, because I have it already.
It might, maybe because it's closed. I don't know exactly, 100%.
And
Yeah,
that's
it's like
Me
I
either.
Forex, like right off the bat, and it gives me all the Forex stuff, but I can't find.
Do you see this screen right here? What I'm showing you?
Let me get back off the app and look at you. No.
You don't see this where you can click onto the plus and then see the different ones?
No, all it shows me is Forex when I click on the plus. It says Forex, and that's it.
I have some of those, but not all of them, Jared.
I wonder why you guys, and you
I
guys
have
have iPhones?
I have iPhone.
I'm on
I have 11, and it's only showing me Forex, and that's it, just by itself, just a Forex.
Mm,
It's not showing me none of that. All mine is a blank screen. I hit the plus sign and nothing comes up, just blank.
Not even the word Forex.
Not even the word Forex.
Mine comes up, and then I hit Forex, and it shows me all this other stuff, but it doesn't include the one he's talking about.
Can you guys, you guys want to share your screen? Oh, you're doing it from your phone though, huh?
Yeah.
Do it, show your camera and put your phone.
Yeah, and just put it on the camera so we can.
Huh?
Sorry to hear my dogs.
All good.
No worries.
I think I might go on a computer later and figure it out that way.
That's what mine said, if you can see mine.
I don't know if you can see mine, but this is what mine is.
It's glaring off my screen.
Black. So go back to let me see the screen before that. Sheila, I can't see yours. Yours is too far.
Mine went black, sorry.
Oh, empty, huh?
Oh, it's empty. So
I literally just did a MetaTrader app because I didn't even have it downloaded at all. And then I just followed your steps to do the demo account, and mine shows up on simple. It has like AUD, USD, then Euro, USD, and then I go to advanced. And it looks just like yours, Derek. And then I could even search NAS 100 and it pops up.
Mitzi and Sheila, did you guys set up your account?
I did, but mine is saying just, oh, hang on a minute. I think I figured mine out.
There you go.
What was it?
It shows me different things right off the bat under simple and advanced, but when I search, I couldn't find the one you were talking about.
Mine showed up.
Just make sure when you go there.
The NAS 100.
Yeah, mine did too.
What happened? What were you saying, Mitzi? Sorry.
That's okay. For some reason, mine, where it says demo account right there in front, it went to something that said live.
So
But I went back and I changed it to the demo account.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now you should be able to access it. There you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Sorry, can you repeat that? How come she was able to do it now?
She wasn't clicking. Go ahead, Mitzi.
Okay, sorry. Because right there at the top under the settings, I had something else clicked instead of the demo.
Oh, okay, got it.
And it said disconnected. I think when I first downloaded it, what happened was I was messing around with it, and I think I tried to put a live account on here, but I didn't know what I was doing. So obviously that didn't work out too well for me.
So anyone else got questions? These are the ones that I added, but again, I'm not going to focus on all of them because if you are doing well with a certain one, I don't even know what the right terminology is, and I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to say pair or stock, but if you're doing right, if you're doing good with the specific trade, I guess you can say, there's no reason to look. I mean, you could look into others, but I've heard multiple trainers say that focus on a few, learn their patterns on the charts. And again, I don't know any of the charts, but I know that when you look at my balance sheet, it was red. Red is not good. Red is where you're losing money, right? So I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I went into USD CAD, and look at this trade right here. I ended up losing 7 cents, right? And if you keep going, I went on a real bad one right here. Lost 7 cents, 22 cents, 8 cents. All the reds are all negative, right? That's all losses. But once I got on a training, me and Simon jumped on with one of our friends and business partners. He showed us what he knew, right? So we're learning from people that are actually doing something on what they're doing. He's actually trading already a live account. So all we were doing was just copying what he was doing, and he went on NAS and look on the NASDAQ 100. I was able to profit and leave the market with $1,535.10. So if you look at this number right here, I'm going to give you guys a quick, and again, don't, I don't know if like the terminology is correct with what the actual master traders and everyone, but I know that I went into the market, my entry point was at 11173.79. Okay. That's when we're looking at the very top. Can you guys see my screen where it says NAS 100 by 0.51?
Yes.
Yeah, right. So remember when I showed you guys the pips, right? The conversion chart. So I don't know. Simon, can you pull it up and tell me what 0.51 is? How much that equivalent to? Because I don't want to leave this screen and then go back out.
Yeah. I got you.
And I was just looking back at notes when I was listening to Coach Max, and her favorite pair is US and yen. So if you follow different people, they all have their favorite pairs that they like to trade. And she only trades like, I think she said 2 to 3 times a week. And
US
that's her
30?
favorite pair. US yen.
Oh, US yen. See, I haven't even seen that one yet. So let's just go, not NAS. Okay, let's go on the US 30. All right, so you guys can see right here, I clicked on it in the middle of the screen. My entry point, I'm gonna mute you out, Mitzi, because I got the background, okay? The entry point was US 30, right? Which was sell 0.25, all right? So what I know is when you're entering the market, if you're going and you're selling and you're buying, I don't even know if this is the right terminology again, but when you go in and you sell, right, you're buying into the market at a sell. Selling is a bearish market, okay? What the bearish market means is it's the type of market that you're going into is you're expecting the market to go down. So you're betting on it to go, now I don't want to say bet either, but you're expecting it to go down. So that's what you're actually entering the market in, okay? Bearish market, the best way to understand that is like a bear, okay? A bear is holding you down, so it's bearing weight on you. So when you're thinking of bearish, you're thinking of down, okay?
Yeah, that's Jen Meacham. Can you mute your line? There you go.
Hold on, they kicked me out. Let me go back in. So bearish.
Mitzi said that wasn't me.
Right, we got 5 dogs here too, so they're being lazy right now, so they're not making noise.
So you said bearish is like holding you down, meaning it's going down?
Yes, like it's going down. So you're expecting the market to go down on whatever specific one that you're trading on, okay? So when you see red sell, when you see sell, that means it's bearish market going down, okay? So you're expecting the chart, when you're looking at the chart, you're expecting it now, you see a pattern, you're expecting it to go down, all right? Now, when you're looking at the blue above that, let's just pick this one because it's open. NAS 100, when you're looking at buy, that is you're buying into the market, which is called a bullish market, okay? B-U-L-L-I-S-H. Bulls, the best way to remember that, bull is that like bulls, they hit their head up, right? Bulls go up. Their horns, when they hit people, they go up. So you think of the buying market as you're going up, which is the bullish market, okay? So bearish going down, bearing weight on you, bullish going up. Okay, you guys got that part so far? Bears attack in a downward position. There you go, Cindy. Yep. For all of the campers, people that love to go outdoors, you guys know that too. That's a good, any way that you could remember that is going to help you. But I thought that analogy was good and it stuck with me. It made me understand that part. So bulls attack as they push your horns upward. Absolutely. Thank you, Auntie Cindy, for that. So that's the markets, okay? So when we're looking at the US 30, okay, that is, we entered the market on that one at 26914.18. All right. So we expected that to go down because of the charts, the way it looked, right? Actually, this one wasn't even it wasn't me and Simon. This was actually Dominic's signal he sent out.
Yeah.
So we got the Telegram signal on the Epic Forex signals, right? You guys are all hopefully signed up to that. Go to your back office, click on Telegram, and then you're going to be able to get entered into the Epic Forex signals. For me and Simon, for us, that's all we really want. We need the signals so that we could go into the market, and that we know if we know how to input these numbers and go and buy or sell into the market, then that's going to receive, that's where we're going to be able to receive profit, or so to speak, catch pips, right? The PIP, right? Isla, do you have your notes there? What does anyone know what PIP stands for? Go ahead and type it in the chat box if you know what PIP stands for.
I know what it stands for, but let's type it in the chat box.
Yeah, let's let them type it in there.
Okay, hold on, I got it.
Awesome.
There you go.
Pricing point. Okay. So that's how when they say I caught 500 pips this weekend or 500 pips today, that's how many pips that they caught. Now that part I'm still trying to understand how many pips. I don't know. I can't count this US 30 sell 0.25. Now when we do the conversion chart, Simon, what is 0.25 at?
0.25 is 250 per pip.
So $2.50 per pip. Now, what they say is if you're trading 0.01, right? If your pip is 0.01, what you're trading, if you guys look at the bottom right here in the GBP USD, that is 0.01. That is going to be 10 cents per pip that you're trading. Now, when you're in the live account, they say for risk management, you want $200. If you have $200 in your live account, you want to be trading at 0.01. Okay. And you're using 10% of what you have in your account. All right. Risk management. That's a huge part too, is the discipline, right? Just know that when you're trading, as long as you see blue, like right here, what I have on the right-hand side, then you're doing good. It doesn't matter about the dollar amount. It could be 2 pennies. It could be 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. It could be $1 million, $1,000. As long as it shows blue, you're doing good because you left the market while you were up. Okay, you guys with me on that? You always want to see blue. Of course, red is going to be inevitable. Like you're going to lose. You're going to lose as well. So you're going to actually lose. But of course, the more that we know and educate ourselves, the more that the red is less likely going to pop up on your balance sheet, right? So any questions right now?
And Derek, I would just want to say, when you were learning as people are typing in the chat box their questions, when you were learning with our business partner, with Simon, like how did it really click for you? Was it because you were in the demo account just looking at it and messing with it? Like because I feel like after you had that meeting with them, then you just started to get it at that point.
Yep. Okay. So great question, Maribel. How do I get to buy and sell? So right now we can't show you because there's no live markets, but let me see. Let me click on it. So let's just say that, so what really clicked for me, it's a great question too, Isla, because for me, I'm like hands-on. I think that's the way Simon learns too. Some people are more like hands-on. Some people can actually read books and then receive the information better that way. So it really depends on how you learn, right? For me, I need to actually be in these markets so I can understand it. So when I went, like this is still, I'm not 100% on like what these I know these are the candlesticks, but when I look at this chart, like it may look weird to you, but as you can see, like in the middle, it topped out, right? So once it reaches to the top, it's going to tank. So you see right here, I wish I had, like, I don't have the actual, I'm going to get a laptop, I promise, where I can show you guys this. But on the top, where it peaked at, when it gets to the top, it's going to drop and tank. So that's when, if you knew that in this part right here, and for the master traders, they probably seen this already coming. So when they seen this part up here, and they knew that this reached the very top, that at some point it was going to tank, and look at what happened. It went all the way down. So if you caught that and you were able to get in at the very top, and then you put sell, right? You were at the sell on the top. Where am I at? Right here. Hold on. If you were at the sell and you caught the sell at the very top right here in the middle of my screen under the F, if you put a sell right there, then you would have been good, because now the market's going down. Look at down, 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 and went all the way down, right? So you would have been able to catch. You would have been able to catch the market when it got to right here lower, right? So this is when it actually bottomed out to the bottom right here. So imagine if you caught it up here at top, even right here on this candle. And now later on, we're gonna learn like how to find out if that when that happens, right? For me, I'm just looking at it, and I'm looking at I mean, I can't even explain it. Like, I could just see it, and if
The
you
pattern?
yeah, like the pattern of it, it's going up, so it has to tank, right? So obviously it's gonna be right here in the middle, and it starts to go down more. And I don't know, I can really literally just be talking out the side of my neck, but at the end of the day, like, you just want to be able to read the signals, at least for me, and be able to input those. But there is something to all these pairs. Now, when I was learning from Elise and Dominic last night, all of these candlesticks mean something. Like when they match and they drew their boxes, like, and I don't know the actual terminology yet, but you just have to really dive into it. Like, so for me, the best way that I learned is I just went into the market. So what I did was I went in there, and you click on trade on the top. There's nothing moving right now, so we can't trade, okay? But this is right here. You're going to be able to mess with your lot size. So if you want to do 0.01, you're going to type in 0.01. That's going to give you 10 cents per pip that you're trading, okay? Again, what they say is in the live account, you need $200 if you're doing 0.01. Of course, we're in the dummy account. We're using the monopoly money, so to speak. So you can mess around with it. Go to 0.10. 0.10 is how much, Simon, when you're looking at that? On the chart,
0.10.
I believe that's $1.
$1. Yeah.
So that's $1 per pip. So you can mess around with $1 per pip. You can do mess around with $5 per pip. Okay. So just mess around with it. And this is what I learned on the stock, and it's kind of hard to show you, but the stop profit is pretty awesome, because what you're going to be able to do is this is where you can now set this up. Let's say we do 0.01, right? We're doing 10 cents per pip, but we got a signal. Okay. Let's say that Epic sent out the signal, the trader sent out the signal, and they said, make sure you sell by market 27160. Okay, boom. So we sell by market. So we're going to go in and sell. You have to click that. I don't know what happens when I click it, because there's nothing happening. Also, market did nothing. But you hear that noise? That noise is kind of cool. When you go in the market and you're going to put in, like, you're trying to type in. So once you get the signal on Telegram, you're going to type it in right here. Not right here. You're going to type it in. Where would so once you click this, there's going to be a pop-up screen where you're going to type in the number. Okay. And then after you complete it, it's going to say yes. Let me see if I can jump into Forex real quick, just so you guys can see.
So basically what you're saying is, once we get a signal from Telegram from the master traders, then we just basically that's what you're saying, is you copy and paste what they tell you to
Correct.
enter into your MetaTrader, and that's how you catch pips, and that's how you can profit, is we're basically copying what they know and what they're predicting from the charts.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah.
Awesome.
So let's look at Bitcoin. I don't know what time. I don't even know what time this market moves or any of that. See, so it must be closed too.
Yeah, I tried one, but looks like it's closed. I add one, yeah.
I added Bitcoin, but it was closed. So right now is probably not the best time to actually go over like the actual like example of it, because everything's closed right now. But yeah, that's as far as that's kind of what we've learned so far.
And I just want to ask anyone in here, if you guys have been reading the Candlestick Bible, and get some feedback from everyone as far as like I know with my mom, I'm always talking to her, and she's like, the more that she's on the live trading sessions, the more that she's reading, like the terminology is starting to make sense. Like it's still, for everyone who's is brand new to Forex, we've only been in this for 25 days, if you've been here since day one. So it's going to take some time to, really understand the terminology, but how has everyone been doing as far as getting on the trading sessions? Has anyone been getting on? Have you guys been listening to the study halls? Like, can anyone chime in? Just like what's been helping, maybe give some feedback to everyone who feels a little lost and, it's so new. So I see some things in the chat box. If you guys want to unmute too, we would love to hear from you guys of what's been working. How have you guys been able to grasp a lot of the new information for a lot of us? Let's see. So Dina says, the Forex Hours is a good app to see open and closed markets. Yes, reading the Bible. I watch the study halls with Coach Max over and over. That's good. Even if you have the first study hall, which I think was like a couple hours, you could just listen to it again until you start understanding more of the terminology. Somewhat study halls, recordings, Candlestick Bible. That's great. I've been doing the study halls, but they do not seem like they are beginner sessions. And I feel like that's what a lot of people have been saying is like, that's why we wanted to get on here. Like, let's just get to layman terminology, because a lot of us are like, what is this? What are these terminologies mean? So I'm glad we were able to just go over the basics so far. Simon, you're saying something?
Can you hear me?
Oh yeah. Hi, Dina.
Hi. I've tried to catch a couple of the live sessions, and just the ones that I happened to catch were intermediate, but then I was able to catch watch the replays of the study hall. And to me, the study halls, I picked up more. Because the other trading sessions, or if they were like advanced, it's like, I don't know what they're talking about.
Exactly.
The study halls have been really helpful.
Good. I'm glad. So, and I don't think they have set dates or times for study halls, but when they always have the recording. So thank you, Robin, for always posting the recordings in the chat boxes. And I think this is why we wanted to touch base with everyone, because you guys have for some of the people on here who are also building a team, like we need to make sure that they all are plugged into the trainings, they're recording, because a lot of people are going to say, this is not making sense to me and not make sense to continue with the program. So we want to make sure that we are giving them the most resources. So good. Auntie Cindy said babypips.com.
That's a good one.
Yes.
Coach
Everyone go to that. Sorry, go ahead, Derek.
Coach Max always preaches babypips.com. Robin posted that, and when I watched the video, she talked about it again.
Yes. So go to babypips.com. Like, we are going to learn all this together. But it's exciting because, I've been on the live trading sessions, and it's like way above like what I can understand. The study halls have been really good for me to listen to over and over. Okay, Aretha says I get info from Baby Pips. Let's see.
For me, and everyone, like I said, is different, but I'm telling you, this is free to you. So come Monday, get into the market. Go in there. Go get on the live session at 11 p.m. It starts Pacific Standard Time. Go in there once they send the signal. Go into your MetaTrader 4 app and copy the signal. Put it in there. You can choose whatever pip you want. Get into the market and mess around with it, because that's how you're going to actually learn it, by doing it, right? For me, at least. So that's how I learned it. That's why I am actually in profit, $7,294.44 of Monopoly money. So
there you go. 70. How long have you been on the app? Less than a week?
Less than a week. But I'm telling you, the way that I learn, I pick up better learning when I'm actually doing it. So I need to mess around with it and then do it. So once I master an actual pairing, whether it's going to be the JUR, whether it's going to be NAS, whether it's going to be one of the currencies, once I master it, I'll send you guys all my signals. So we're going to make sure that we can make at least 100. Like my goal, me and Isla's goal was, let's make a goal of $100 a day. Let's go in and trade 100, make a profit $100 a day, right? $100 a day on Forex is pretty good as a beginner, because you add that up, that's $500 a week. $2,000 every single month. That's not bad, right? And then once we get a little bit more knowledgeable, then you could up that. Okay, now this is part of your risk management, your discipline. Now, once you, and you can't get greedy. I always hear all of the trainers too, they're saying that do not get greedy, don't get greedy. Once you master earning 50 bucks or $100, whatever it may be, then from there you can up it. Now maybe you want to make 200 a day, 300 a day. So we have to start small somewhere, right? And again, everyone's account's going to be different based on how much you guys are going to put in your account, you know. So start off slow, but not only that, if you don't feel comfortable with actual real money, go into the demo account, and you could lose this 100,000 in your demo account and then just re-sign up again. So until you get comfortable with actually inputting it, then doing your stop, profit, loss, like all that stuff in here, when you're looking at this, you can set your stop loss. So
Derek, can you mute the line?
yeah, I'm somebody, hold on.
Can you talk about the stop loss, what you're doing right now?
So the stop loss is, and again, this part was still kind of new for me, and I actually messed up. Simon did it better than me. He put the stop loss, and I actually was one number off, so mine's didn't close out. So this is why they say I can make money while I sleep. You can put in the trade, you get a signal, you put it in, right?
See, there's a one. There's a one that is working right now. The BTC USD.
BTC USD. Okay, let's see if we can mess around with it.
Yeah.
What is it under? What's the hold on real quick. Let me see. Quotes. No. What's it under? Crypto?
Yeah.
BTC USD. Okay, I see it right
Yeah.
here. So let's have some pips right now. Let's see what we have. We can do it live, okay? Auntie Cindy, I see you texting us. Hold on. Where is it at? BTC USD. Okay.
Yeah, at the bottom, yeah.
So let's look at the chart. Okay, good. It's moving. So see how it, when you're on like NAS 100 or you're on like the USD, the yen, or the US 30, it moves so fast. So here you can see it doesn't move as fast, right?
Yeah.
So now let me see. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing, but let me just go ahead and look at this graph real quick. So look at how it dropped, right? So to me, when I look at this, I'm looking at it, okay, it tanked in the middle, right? It went to the bottom. So as you see it went up, right? In the bullish market, right? All the way up. And there's another saying too, when the ketchup meets the mustard, that's when it's going to go up. So right here, when they say see these squiggly lines, that one on my chart is supposed to be red. But when the ketchup meets the mustard on the bottom part, when it tanks, right when it meets, it's supposed to shoot up again once they touch. So that yellow and that red line right there, once those touch, that's when the market's supposed to shoot back up, okay? So for me, what I'm looking at right here is, if you see the market in the middle, it tanked all the way down. So if you guys are looking at what I'm looking at, what do you think is going to happen again? If you're looking at this chart, right now it's all the way at the top. What do you think is going to happen again?
It's gonna go down, bearish.
It's going to go down in a bearish market. At least that's what I'm seeing, right? Because you're looking on patterns, right? Look at this one in the middle. It went up all the way, then boom, it tanked, went all the way down, and it levels out. Went down again, it went up, so now it's going to tank. Now the part of it is where I don't know is when you're supposed to enter into the market. That's another piece that we're going to learn, right? But for me, let's just do something real quick.
While you're doing that, Auntie Cindy sent something that actually was from corporate, and she was asking them, how do you set up a broker account and an MT4 demo account? And then they sent this YouTube link, and it says, I'm going to share a video with you for you to understand MT4 Epic University. And it's a great video to start where you can assist placing your trades.
Do you want to show me the YouTube and I could put it up here?
Well, it's a link. I'm on my iPad. Can you
Send
it's in
me.
the Epic.
Send,
It's in the email.
mm,
But anyways, we could send it out. It's 11
okay, we'll
minutes,
put.
so we could just send it out.
Okay.
But it says it's basically how to enter a trade on MetaTrader 4.
Okay. Another thing, Derek.
Yeah, I can hear you. Who is this?
Okay. This is Linda.
Hi, Linda.
Hi.
Hi.
Another thing is that I've been really getting into the Candle Bible, and if you know what the names of the candles and what they represent, it also tells you how they're going to go up and when they're going to go down. Like this red candle that you're looking at right here, right
here in the middle.
Right, that's a doji. That whenever you see the doji candle, it's indicating that a change is coming about.
Change going up or down?
It all depends on where it's placed, and as you can see, where this one is, it's going up.
Up, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it indicates the change. So, I mean, I'm just kind of absorbed in the reading, and I get in on some of the trainings, and like this weekend, I plan to be on a lot of trainings because I missed a lot this week. But
that's good though. See, and then once we
learning to understand the candles,
right?
It just speaks volumes to you.
Isn't it doji the one that has a cross on it though? Where do you see the cross?
No, there's several dojis. There's different types of dojis. This red one right here is small, but it's got the long wick going up.
You're talking about this, right? I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just messing around with it.
You know what you're doing? You're confusing us. That's what you're doing.
Just let them talk. Let them talk, Derek.
Let them talk, but I'm trying to figure out how I can point to that doji.
What is the big difference? This is Ebony. What is the big difference between like the MetaTrader and the Trading View? Because I hear a lot of the traders say they prefer Trader View.
Right. Well, me personally, I'm having a problem with Trader View right now because it seems like I've got more than one account and I don't know which one's doing what. But it appears to be really good. And this is the first time I'm really getting into MetaTrader. I've set up the account, the dummy account, for what I really feel like right now is big dummy.
Hey, Derek.
Yes.
I think what the difference between Trading View and MetaTrader, you go look and see what the market is actually doing and try to figure out your entry point with Trading View. And then once you get ready to jump in the market, you've got to go to MetaTrader 4 in order to do it.
Oh, so you can't actually trade on Trader View. You can only kind of watch and evaluate the market.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure that you can't, but
to my knowledge,
all the ones. Yeah, but all the ones that I've listened to on the different videos is they're saying that Trading View is to help you figure out what the market's doing, and then try to figure out where it's going to either make a turn, and then when you decide that on Trading View, go to MetaTrader 4 and actually trade.
Yes, that's my understanding. That's what I thought my understanding is too, is that you actually do the trading on MetaTrader and then it's viewing charts on Trading View.
Yeah, you learn on Trading View and actually do the money part, the real money part on meta whatever, M4.
I think Coach Max said on one of her videos that you can trade through Trading View, but she doesn't advise it. She said she don't even teach it. It's kind of way above her pay grade, so to speak. But that's basically where you chart everything out, like someone said a while ago, and see where your entry points are, and then you come over to MetaTrader and buy and sell.
Yeah, they were doing that last night on the live session. Going to Trading View, going right to the MetaTrader 4.
Cool.
Oops, sorry, Ebony. I actually muted you out right when you were talking. Apologies.
Oh no, I was just saying thanks, guys. That's all.
See, this market, this BTC is moving super slow,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is not what me and Simon are used to. We like it moves fast. I like the volatile markets where it's moving and things are moving. Like this one is just I can see. Yeah, this is literally you would set it and then really just put the stop loss and then take profit. So what stop loss is when you enter the market. Let's just say on this one. On this one, I would go with selling. Okay, let's just see what it does. I don't even know what it's gonna do. All right. But again, I might have a red on my thing, but it's okay. So I'm looking right here, acting like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. But I'm gonna go ahead and trade it. I'm gonna go ahead and sell the market. Boom. So there, bam. So now I'm expecting this to go down, right? Because we're selling again, bearish market. So I'm expecting this to go down. Because of how slow it's going, you could just leave it on there, right? And then let me just do another one. All right, I'm gonna go back and let's say I want to cash it on another one. So boom, I hit another one, sell 25. Then I'll go back. Let's change the pips. Let's do 0.1. Boom. So now I got 3 of them going, right?
How are you actually doing that? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're going fast.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. So let me go here. Hold on.
Cause he over here acting trading like he a professional. That's
Come
why.
on, Ebony, you know.
Dang,
I'm here
G,
trying
what's up with that?
I'm here trying to get to the money. I don't have time for charts. I need to see. All I want to see is blue. That's all I want to see. So, okay, you're gonna go here and you're gonna click on the plus sign. Okay. Click on the plus sign. I know that, or I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm predicting. Derek is predicting that we're gonna go sell by market. Okay, so I'm gonna put a 0.01 pip. Wait, did I already put that one? We'll do it again. So you're clicking on sell by market, and I put my lot size as 0.01. Okay, let's do this one different. Let's do 0.50. All right. So let's see in the chat box if you have your conversion chart. How much is my lot size right now? 0.50. Simon, don't say it because I know you know it already. Isla, how much is my lot size? If I'm putting 0.50, how much is each pip?
$5.
$5, correct, right? So $5 per pip. Okay, let me look at the market again. Make sure.
Guys, be careful in that lot size. Once you make a mistake and you're on the fast market, you can lose like hundreds in like a heartbeat.
Yeah, that's why they say like you want to make sure, and then you can mess around with it here. It doesn't matter because it's a.
Oh yeah, in here, yeah.
But when you're in the live account, yeah, you want to make sure that. That's why you kind of want to master this already. Like Coach Max says, 10 to 15 positive pips, but really you want to give yourself, some time to really understand it and use it. So that's why I like to really go in here. So let's say, boom, okay. So my lot size is $5. That's a lot, really. You're probably going to need, I don't know, if you do 0.01 times $200, and then you're going to times that. So 10, 50, whatever, 50 times 200, what's that, 10,000?
You need to have like thousands on your account on that.
10,000, right? I think the actual math on that would be 10,000. So you would need $10,000 in your live account if you want to be at that 10% risk management trading 0.50. Okay, but again, this is just a demo account, so you can do whatever you want. It's, just learn from it. So boom, I click sell by market. So now I got these going. I'm losing money. I'm losing $2. So right now it's not doing nothing. This just moves so slow. Like,
wait, I'm sorry. Can you go back again? So You just put in the lot size.
Okay,
Can you
so
go
I'm
back
gonna do another one. Go plus. So let's do a regular. Let's do a lot size that probably we're gonna do is let's start with 10 cents again, or let's do 50 cents.
So this is after you already choose the pair that you're gonna go for. Right now you did Bitcoin USD, right?
Right, because there's the only one that's open right now in the market.
Okay,
right?
got
But-
it. So first you have to decide what pair you're doing.
Correct.
To get to this
So-
screen.
So you would get to this again. Remember, you would delete whatever you're not gonna trade on, and then add whichever ones you're looking at. Right. I'm always gonna add the ones that we get epic signals on. So anybody that I jump on, when there's live sessions, I'm jumping on the actual live one. The live ones are gonna be really, really important to jump on if you could jump on them, right? And then what I'm doing is I'm just copying what they're doing, copy and paste. So if I see them that they're going on the JER 30, they're doing US 30, the Euro with the USD, the GBP for USD, right? These are all different currencies. So I know NZD is New Zealand to the US dollar. AUD, I think, is Australia. Let me see if I can find out if it is. I think it's to Australia, but I could be wrong. Yep, Australian dollar versus the US dollar. So you see how I found that out? I just went here to the quotes on the bottom, and then you could click on it. So US dollar versus the Swiss franc. You got the US dollar versus Canadian dollar, USD, CAD. You got the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, GBP, Great Britain pound versus the dollar. They do, there's another trader, I forgot his name. I think it's Josh something. He was doing sending signals. You could look at your epic signals on your Telegram, and he was doing the GBP. That's how I added on here. And JER, so Germany 30, this is DAX. So this is not a currency pair, but they were trading this too. So, and then US 30 was a big one they were doing, the Dow Jones, okay? So you would find which one you want, boom. So if you get the signal, they're like, okay, epic signal, boom, someone sends it out, trade, BTC, USD, you're gonna click on that and you're gonna click on trade, right? Boom, you're gonna go in the market. Now we're here, we're gonna do a 0.5, that's 50 cents, right? You're gonna move that decimal point over to 1, 2, 3 slots, that's 50 cents. So 0.01, when you get your conversion chart, I'll put that in the thread too, in the DnA on the messenger. That'll be 0.01 is 10 cents, okay? Now, let's just say we're gonna do 50 cents. Again, it's play money, monopoly money. Don't be scared to use it. Don't be scared to mess up. It's okay. So now, let me look at my chart. See, things might have changed because Isla threw me off my game. Now she might have me losing money in the market. So let me look, see what the heck is going on. So it looked like, see, and Linda's probably like, don't do it. You see the doji candle. I don't know what the candles mean. But when I look at it, I just know that it's going to have to go down. Okay, so, and again, my logic is probably really, really inaccurate. But again, we're learning. It doesn't matter. You're going to go in here and we're going to sell it. So now you pick your lot size, 0.05. That's 50 cents. And then you're going to click on sell by market. Once you tap that, you're now in the market.
What about doing the stop loss?
Yeah, show them.
Yeah,
So
I got you right now. So stop loss is cool. See, so it's really slow. It's been in the red. We'll do a stop loss on, let's do a stop loss on the 0.50. So you guys see this one? You hold it down. For me on the iPhone, you have to hold it down, and then you're going to see that modify. You're going to click on modify, okay? Now, you have to kind of toggle back and forth because you want to remember where you actually entered into the market. So let's go back because I forgot. So we entered in on the market for that 0.50, right? At 10,716, right? 10,716. That's when we entered. So we modify it. So if we knew we entered at 10,716, we're losing money right now, right? So this is where you're going to stop loss it is 10,715, where it's at. So let's say that you're going to go to sleep and you don't want to lose, like you don't want it to go lower than 10,710, okay? So no matter what, and again, at this point, all you're doing is saying that once the market hits this number right here, it's going to take you out the market. So this is the most that you're going to lose. And I don't even know the ratio or the actual dollar amount. What it's going to take you out of the market. What did I say? We entered it at 10,716. So let's do an actual live one. Let's see if it'll take me out. 10,716. So let's do 10. See, it's going up. We're making money now, right? Let's go back real quick. Sorry. Oh, it's actually losing. Okay, so 10,716. Let's go back. Stop loss 10,716. So it's actually going up. So let's put stop loss would be 10. No, I went on sell, so I need to put a higher one. So 10,7. Let's just take it out of 10,7. 3,1. Oh, it already reached that. So 10,7. Hold on. 10,7, 3. Let's do 3,3. Okay. So now you're gonna click on that, and
that means it's gonna take you out of trading when it hits that number.
Right. So let's do it. Modify it. So I gotta set the other one too. So this one is it's gonna go down. So we want that to go down, and we'll just set a number like we answered in at. Dang it! Do you guys remember the number we entered in at? 10,7. What did I say?
16.
16.
716. So let's just say 10,700. All right. Boom. Modify.
So stop loss means that has to be higher than what you entered at, and then take profit is lower than what you entered at. Is that right?
Right.
Because you're in a bearish market?
Yes. But how come it's not letting me modify?
10, 7.
10.
I think because the number already over what you put.
I think it needs to be lower. What are you right now?
Stop loss needs to be lower?
Oh, no, hold on. Where are you right now?
It's already at 10. Oh, no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Sorry, y'all. I'm supposed to be looking at the right. So let's put 10. I want to put a number where it takes us out so you guys can see how it works. So we're looking on the right side. 10, 7, 3, 7. So let's do 10, 10, 7. Let's do
38.
38.
Hurry.
Or get there.
10, 7, 38.
Oh, you passed it already.
Okay, hold on. 10, 7, 39.
Put
There
40.
we go. Now it says modify. Okay, so let's click that. Modify it? No. This one needs to be lower, right? Oh, did it take me out? No, 10, 7, 30. Then this one, let's do 1040. Okay. So now I got my stop loss in, and that part too, we're still trying to figure that out. But let's just click on here, and
oh shit, you did sell all back. I tried to do buy. I'm making money right now.
see,
$19.
he's up 19.
Yeah, $18 right now. 17, but it's still okay, you know.
So I want to see if I want it to take me out right now.
Meaning it's hit one of those numbers that you put in, right?
Right.
Yes. It's either the stop loss or the take profit. It will close down.
See, and that's what you could do too, and it gets kind of like that's a little bit advanced, but if you entered into the market and you thought it was going to go in a bearish market, but then it started going up, you can actually put in on the other side now to offset it. Yeah, you can offset it now.
So it will even out, actually.
Let's do a temperature check. How is everyone kind of following along as far as what we're looking at? Type 111 in the chat box.
Let's do 1037. I want to get out the market, so
because we want to make sure people are. It's looking a little more like it's making sense. I know it is for me.
Right. So let's see if it goes to 10737. That's where we're waiting for this market.
I'm losing now. $6 remain left.
See, so it's going back down, and this could take forever. It might not even go. So that's why
Because
they
it's
say,
it's slower.
Low, yeah.
yeah, it's way slow. Like it's not as volatile. I guess that's the word they use. But so this is where if you like, you're gonna enter the market and you set your stop loss and your take profit, then once you set that up, you can turn off your phone and go to sleep or do whatever. So then, now that part you have to master as well and understand what you're actually gonna make on that, right? But what's cool about it, when you get your epic signal, they actually show that in there. Okay, let me show you guys real quick, and let's see if this does what it does. We'll let that hang out for a minute. Let me show you guys real quick this. Okay, let me go into the epic Forex signal so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So look at right here. Look in the middle. Okay, we're gonna look at the top. Advanced signal. This was sent by Dominique. Do not take this account if less than $500. Proper risk management. See how it says US 30 sell? So what are we all gonna do? We're gonna go into our app, and then we're gonna click on what? US 30, right? And then we're gonna sell, right? That's what we just did, the red. We're gonna go into the bearish market. See that number, what he typed in, 26870.69? That's what we're gonna type in when we click on what we just did. Type 222 if you guys are with me right now. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. So see where it says, the epic Forex signals are awesome. Look at where they already set you up. Look at the stop loss. So they're going to give us the stop loss, 26930.69. That means that you're not going to lose more than 600 pips, right? After you lose that, if you get to that, if the market gets to that 26930.69, that means from there, it takes you out the market. So what we just did is that is going to bring us right back into, see where it disappeared?
It took you out. Is that what it means?
It took me out the market. So see, it took me out the market, right? So because I put that stop loss, that's all that I'm going to lose on that. It's $10 because I put that on there. You guys with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. I hope it's making a little bit of sense.
Yes.
So I'm learning right now with you guys too. So, just because me and Simon did it for a couple of nights straight doesn't mean we're experts or anything. We're just
copy paste.
Yeah, we're just literally showing you guys what we did to get those blue.
Show them what trade did we do on that one, D?
Which one?
Show them the blue on this one. Yeah.
Oh, so this one. Oh, yeah. So we did enter on this market.
Yeah, we did enter on this. Show them how much did you make.
So this one is US 30. That was right here. This is the one that I made. 26914. You guys see my screen right in the middle?
Yes.
US 30 sell 0.25. So look at 26914.18 is when we entered the market, because we got the signal, and we were literally on the Zoom. We were literally on Zoom. We say, oh, look it, he just sent the signal out. So we copied it. 26870.69. 268. Actually, we still didn't get it right on point.
Yeah, it won't be like so accurate because the market moves so fast. So once you send that signal, you need to be on your market right away and trade as fast as you can. Yeah.
So all we did was
exact number. Yeah.
We typed it in. We went in there. Boom. We typed in 26870.69. We went in there, typed it in, or we went to that. So what we did was we went to US 30, and then we just put in our lot size. So okay, let's rewind real quick. Let's just say boom. We got a signal. Bing, 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 right? He sends this right here. We get this. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, boom. US 30. I know this, so I'm gonna write it down, whatever you gotta do, 2687.0. So all we know is US 30 sell. So what we're gonna do, go right here, go to chart, we're gonna trade, and then we're gonna find the US 30, click on it, and then we're gonna go to trade. Okay, and then we're gonna immediately just hit our lot size, whatever that's gonna be for you. 0.01, again, the dummy account, you can put $1. and then you're gonna sell by market. Right when we got that trade, that's exactly what me and Simon did. We just put in the lot size that we wanted, and then we hit red and hit sell by market, because that's what he says right there, right? Now, when we know that we got multiple positions. So if you look on my history, I actually did it a couple times, right? Look at US 30, sell 0.25, and then I did another one, US 30, sell 0.01. So look at that, at 10 cents a pip, I still made $56.49. That's not bad for something that was sent to us, right?
How many minutes is that?
That was like literally probably like 10 minutes.
10 minutes, yeah.
10 or 12 minutes.
Yeah.
And we were just sitting right there. And then, so during this time, what we were doing was when we got into the market, right, we put our lot sizes in, got into the market. Then what we were doing was we were copying his stop loss. So you want to type that in, 26930.69. So what we did was we went right here, and I'm just going to click on this just for example, okay, so you guys can see. But just imagine this is the US 30 that we just got. So I'm going to type in that right here, stop loss. I'm literally going to copy what it says. See how it says? I got a little cheat way to do it. So I'll just open my screen, and then I'll type in stop loss 26930.69. So, and you have to make sure you get these numbers right. 269, because this can cost you money, good and a bad way. 26930.69, 30.69. So boom, then I would set it, right? That's good for that. Stop loss that one, and then let's just say that now this is the part where it's really up to you. You could do multiple take profit ones, take profit two. All this means is the more that you set in here, it really depends on where you want to fall in, how much you're going to actually make on your pips.
Higher the risk, higher the reward.
More, yeah. The more longer you stay in the market, you could either lose now, but now, no matter what, however long that market, we stay in this market, we're not going to lose more than 26930.69, which is 600 pips. Because Dominique already hooked us up with the pips, right? He knows that if you enter this number, you're not losing more than 600 pips. Now, if you equate that to your account, you could do 10 cents, right? If you're doing 0.01, that's how much is 0.01? 10 cents times 600 pips, that's $6, I believe, right? Someone do the math on that. I'm pretty sure 600 times 10 cents is $6 or 60. $6.60. Someone type it in the chat box.
$6.
$0.10.
0.10.
0.01 is 10 cents. So that times 600 pips is $6, right?
Yeah.
So the most that we're going to lose with the US 30 signal that he just sent was $6. You guys with me? Type yes if you guys are understanding what we're talking about.
Oh no, like I believe the like automatic, once it hits the stop loss, you have 600 pips already. So if you have like the 1 cent, you'll make $6 already no matter what. So basically you're not losing.
But this one I thought it was negative though, no?
No, stop loss, see, you have 600 pips no matter what.
Oh, okay. So stop loss, right? Oh, I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
So you're in profit no matter what.
Yes, yeah, on that one, yeah.
So stop loss is that when you're in profit, okay? Now, so how does this stop if you're losing money then?
Say it again.
How will it stop? How will it take you out the market if you're losing then?
No, because like when it's our time, it keeps on going up, the market.
But say if it went the opposite way, what's there to protect you to take you out the market? That's what I thought stop loss meant.
Yeah, because like when he when he put this picture already, when he typed it, it's higher than 26930.69 already.
Oh, okay.
That's why, remember when we when we partnered with one of our business partners, you always put the stop loss when you have money already, so you won't lose.
Oh, got it. Yeah. No, that's right. It was already up. The market was already up. That's
yeah,
right,
it depends.
Right.
Like,
Okay.
but if you're losing money already, you can put a stop loss so you won't lose that much.
Right. Okay. So for what I was confused on was I forgot the market was already going down, so it was already in profit. So then you could already set, because it was so high here. Let me show you guys. because the market was already so low in the number, no matter what, you can set it at 600 pips. That's right. Simon's right. Okay, so no matter what, we put that in there, stop loss, we're already in the plus because the market was already shooting down. Okay, so on the take profit, it's up to you. You're going to do 600. What do you want? 600 pips? You want 1200? You want 24? So let's just copy the 600 pips just for easy because it's right there. So we're going to enter 26810.69. So we enter here 26810.69.
6.9. So when they say proper risk management, is that what they're saying? Like how you're setting how much you are willing to risk?
Correct, 10%. And they want you to be disciplined on 10% of whatever's in how much money's in your account. So what they're teaching is really money management too. It's not, they say risk management, but probably what that really means is money management, how to manage your money as far as like losing and then as far as like winning. Because you could win, you could really be in the profit and then get greedy, and then you end up winning a lot, and you stay in the market for too long, then you'll end up tanking and then losing all of it. So that's why trust me, a lot of the traders, if you listen to their stories, they all say in my first year, I didn't know what I was doing. And then what happened was I started getting greedy. So then once you start getting greedy, things will actually start losing money. So.
And that's what I learned too with Coach Max. I'm sure you guys have heard that with her 20 pips and dips is her way of training is you're getting multiple small wins rather than taking or doing a big advanced move where there's a lot more risk. So she teaches the little 20 pips and dips a day. Like that's all you need. You could do 20 a day and still make 50 a day, 100 a day, 200 a day. And now with Tracy Johnson, who's going to be training us tomorrow, she's making more than $400 a day, trading.
Every day.
Every day. So we're going to get to that point. If you're making $400 a day, a few hours a day, or however long it takes, I don't know how long it takes, but we all want to get to that point eventually where we can see the charts and know what it's going to look like. But even right now, we could still be making money because we have all the master traders that are giving us these signals.
400 a day is good. That's 2,000 extra a week. Like that can give you that's 8,000 on top of, that's 8,000 a month just on trading. This is why I like this part I get excited about because I can copy and paste all day long.
Can someone type some money bags in the chat box
right.
if you're excited for that?
Right.
Anyone excited? Is anyone getting excited right now? Because now that I'm really getting it, like it's not looking so foreign to me. Now I'm getting excited because look at what we could be making. You're literally copying and pasting from the master traders. And that's why if you listen to Coach Max, she's always talking about, I had a shaky start. I didn't have a good foundation of who I was learning from. And here she has all of these documented traders that are teaching us all of this. So the more that we get immersed with the language, the terminology, the books, the trainings, it's going to be, and we all grasp it. Just imagine not only how much we could be making a day on trading, but now you can teach people. And if you're a builder, now you have value where that you could just show them, look, this is what I just made. You want to learn how to make that? Well, come here and I'm going to show you how to get started. It's $99 a month. You're going to learn from these master traders, 6, 7, 8 figure traders. They're going to teach us this. That's like, you guys, I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but we're literally learning this lifelong skill. We could help others earn as well.
So Isla, I don't want to be a wet blanket. I just got here about 20 minutes ago, so I've just been watching you guys. But when you talk about making $400 a day, did they lose some to get to the 400? Did they have to lose 1,000 to make 400? Did they talk about that? And do you have to be sitting in front of the computer all day to make 400? Did they go over that?
That's a great question for us to learn from Tracy, her journey. Because I'm sure there's going to be losses, just like you saw on Derek's thing, him just playing around with it the last couple of days. You're going to have some losses, but we're learning now, if you're following and copying and pasting from the master traders, they know what they're doing at this point, right? But
Right.
Coach Max was at a point where she was making, I think it was $2,000 a month for 7 months before she felt comfortable enough to, you know, do more with her pips. She was trading more. So, I mean, that's a great question for us. And that's why we wanted to get Tracy on the call tomorrow so she could share her journey and, you know, tell us like, what should we expect? What can we expect at this point? So I would definitely, we can ask her to share her journey as well.
Yeah, because when we're talking to our prospects, a lot of times they get, you know, of course you get the same thing, like, you know, I'm so busy right now. And I listened to Coach, I forget which coach it was that said she only had an hour to spend a day, but she committed that. And I know that some people have an hour. I know that some people have all day. I would love to ask her that, where do you feel comfortable? So if somebody, is there a particular point in time where if they give you those pips, that you need to hurry up and trade because the market's going to change? Did you miss your window of opportunity because you were at work? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, if you're not in the market live, you'll miss it. You literally, once you get the signal, you have to act right then and there. It's seconds, like milliseconds. Milliseconds.
That's what I thought.
Like once you get the signal, the market already has fluctuated, whether it's going up or down. But with their projections, they already know where it is. So yeah, you can't get the signal and then expect to go back into the market 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or even an hour or 2 hours. Yeah, you'll miss it for sure. It's instant.
Well, I guess the upside is if you're doing pretty well in this and you get fired from your job, then you have
lots of time to do this. Right. And I think too, along as we are doing this, imagine 6 months, 7 months, a year from now, I'm sure a lot of us will be on the line to say, okay, now I know how to read the charts myself.
Really?
You know, now I
can
could
just go in here and look on the Epic Forex signals and
look at
it.
that. They give a lot of tips.
Look at all the pips that they made. Like this is all, if you look, it's like you'll see some losses, but at the end of the day, look at what Dominique put on this one. 3:30 a.m. JUR 30 floating at 3,300 plus pips.
That's a lot of
US 30 floating at 2,100 plus pips. Floating 5,400 plus pips on a Friday. This was last night when we were on. This is why I really like this guy, because for me, I can understand his terminology. I can understand the way he talks about like going in and out the market. The charts, I don't know that part yet, but I try to grasp it, like the constants and I don't know the words that Elise was using, but I know that she's a really good trader because Coach Max said she's really close to being a 7-figure trader. So she's really good. I just don't know the words that she was using, but her and Dominique, you should watch it. If you guys haven't watched it, they have a recording. But it's better if you catch the live, in my opinion, because you actually can sit there, sit on the Zoom on your laptop, and then go on your phone. Ask Isla, I'm in here in the office. It's like 11 p.m. and I'm here all the way until 4 a.m. with Simon, and we're just looking at this on the live calls, and then we're just adding in here. We're just messing around with the demo account. That's the only way that I'm going to learn. Like I literally have to be on here doing that. So yeah. Any questions?
A lot of chat.
No, this was good stuff.
Yep. So just know that if you're at work and when they send you a signal, go to the bathroom. You have to pee real quick. Go to the bathroom, go to the market, and go sell or go whatever it says that they send. Even if I'm telling you, even if on your demo account, if you're at work, just say, hey, I gotta use the bathroom or whatever you gotta do to go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom, close the door, and go in there and see whatever signal that you just seen, and then go and do what I just did. You just go right here, share the screen. You're gonna find whatever it is that you're looking for, whatever signal they sent. Let's say they sent the JUR 30, then boom, we're gonna go to trade. We're gonna put our lot size. It doesn't matter because it's fake money, but let's just say you wanna kind of put it to the account of having $200 in your account. So boom, you'll put 0.01, click on that, and then you're gonna buy or sell the market, whatever they show. Boom, click that, and then you can put the stop loss and all that stuff in there too.
Hey, Derek, I have a question. Since it's play money, and I apologize if you guys already answered this question. If you use it all up, do you get more?
Yeah, you just gotta make a new account.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. And if you lose that 100,000, that means that like
Don't trade.
or you just have to really just put more learning into it, because there's no way you should lose 100,000 in your demo account.
You gotta go back to school. You gotta go back to the academy.
Yeah, you gotta go back. Or you were just your lot size was way too big. Like you were just literally probably putting like 10.00, which is, how much is that? That's $100 a pip, huh, Simon?
Yeah.
10 is $100 a pip, or is it 1.0 $100?
Oh, like 1.0
is 100.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like, I mean, this is like
1.00. It's
yeah, this one's $100 a pip. So you got to literally probably have, I think, $100,000 in your account. So I mean, if you're trading like at this volume, you kind of want to make it close to what you're actually going to throw in your live account. That's what I would say. So just for starters, 0.01, boom, you can mess around with it, and just get familiar with it. Get familiar with putting in the numbers, making sure that you know exactly what numbers you're putting in. You're looking back here. Stop loss, you know the stop loss is 2697716 or 17. Then you're gonna enter that right there. I mean, it's just practice and repetition, like anything. See, I've been in the market for a while here, losing $5, losing 23 cents, losing $1.19. So I'll leave it in here. And then again, you're always gonna hear this. Blue is true. What does that mean? Is that you are in profit. So as long as you close it out and you're in blue, you're good. You are in profit, right? That's what you want to see on your balance sheet, is all blues. See, I added some reds to mine on the bottom. I don't like that. But the blues, I was doing really good when I was in those markets, in the NAS and the US 30, and me and Simon took the live signals from Epic, which they sent, which is pretty genius, because really when you get that telegram, you hear that bing, make sure I had mine muted. So yeah, when you hear that bing, make that sound loud on your phone, and a certain specific one, you could change the actual sound of it. So when you hear that sound, you better go to the bathroom if you're at work.
So when you did that one, when you copied it over, it was not the one for $56, but the one above it, that was also the same signal, right?
Yeah, US 30, these two right here.
Oh, it was at 0.25. That's why it was that much.
Yeah, 0.25 and then 0.01. Those were
they can see the difference now on the lot size, on how much you'll make on the big lot size. See?
Yeah.
Right.
It's a big difference.
Hey, Derek.
But I always say, like, we've been to Vegas before, probably, right, or a casino. How many of us have went by a slot machine, put in $20, and then we just did this a couple of times and then continue walking? We didn't even win anything, right? So at least here we got a real shot at making some decent income here.
I think we had a question.
Yeah, I think it was Rich. Go ahead, Rich.
Hey, how do you exit out of your demo account when you're done playing?
You just close the app, I guess, or
yeah, but it stays open on your phone.
Well, as long as you don't have nothing in the market, I mean, here it wouldn't matter. I would close it, but I mean, when you close it, I mean, there's still what are you trying to figure out? I think I don't understand your question.
It's constantly on whenever when you exit out, or when you hit it a couple times, you get out of it. But there's no real way of closing like you do other.
No, you could close it. Like, you could do this and swipe up. If I swipe up right here.
Yeah, for iPhone.
For iPhones, you could see, this doesn't even show anymore.
Yeah.
What I'm doing. Hold on.
Hey, don't worry. I was just curious. Not a big deal.
Yeah, as long as as long as you don't have any money in there, it should be okay. But let me show you real quick what I was gonna say. Is there any questions before we log off? I know we're on here.
Yeah, Isla, did you send that link out for the 11-minute training?
Oh, I'll do that right now, right when we get off. Yeah, that was from corporate. Sent that link out. So again, we want to make sure that we have everyone on our teams, especially the ones that came on just to do Forex trading. We want to make sure that they get on our call tomorrow with Tracy Johnson. It'll be at 3 p.m. On this same line. So if we have questions, she's going to do a Q&A. She's super helpful. She's excited to be able to give us some of her knowledge, and it's awesome because she was with a team in the previous project of over 50,000 agents, and she said she has so many traders on her team, like they have their own signal chat. So like they are such good at trading that they have their own signals that they send out within her team alone, and that they do Saturday trainings. They do a back to basics Forex training on Sundays. So she's going to plug us into her trainings as well. So I'm excited about that because we can get more training on top of like, what we already have access to. So any questions or anything that you guys can think of that you want to ask her, we'll be able to do a Q&A and just try to get the most value out of her time tomorrow.
Carmen said, go to settings. The sign out option should be there for Rich. And Rich, this is what I was talking about. If you got an iPhone, you would just go right here and then you would just swipe up and then it'll just clear it out. I don't know if you have an iPhone. I'm guessing you got a Droid.
I got both.
Oh, you got, okay, there you go. So yeah, when you get the iPhone, you just go right here to this screen and then you'll just hold it down and then you should be able to swipe it up.
Yeah.
Let's see, can you show one more time how to modify the stop loss? Yes, I can.
And that is Pacific Standard Time, Trisha. I'll post the flyer again in our group.
Hold on real quick, Mitzi. Mitzi is making me feel special, like I actually know what I'm doing.
Let's clap it up for Derek and Simon. They are our master traders now.
Yeah,
Master copier.
Master copiers. I told them that they had knowledge to give us, and I learned a lot. I don't know about you guys, but I felt like I learned a lot from just looking at this and just understanding the signals and now our MetaTrader account. So clap it up for them.
And you know what's good too for us, because me and Isla have Amaya during this time, she's sleeping. So we can get in here and learn. So you guys have kids and they're knocked out, this is the best time to get in here. It's all nighttime. You can get in here and kind of get in your element and kind of just learn, drink some coffee, drink some energy drinks. I mean, it's, I'm a night owl at heart anyway. So, okay, so let me go in here and see okay, can you show one more time how to modify the stop loss? Okay, so I'm gonna go right here. I'm going to pull up this just so I can show you an example, okay? So Mitzi, let's say we got an epic signal, boom, bing, bing, bing. US third, let's go down more. Let's see, that one from last night. That one last night was fire because we actually got a lot of pips out that one. So boom, there's an epic signal that goes out, boom, we're gonna look at it, US 30 sell. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna type on it, we're gonna go to chart, find our chart, US 30. I'm gonna click on trade. Oh man, it's not showing you guys. Hold on, sorry. Let me go back. What the heck happened? Hold on. Okay. Hold on 1 second. I gotta clear it. Do you want to continue? Yes. Share. Oops. Stop share. Okay, so now let me go on here.
And this is being recorded, Aretha, for everyone who had to or missed out. Thank you, Trisha. I know it's late.
So here, you're gonna go right here. This is for Mitzi. So you're gonna go to sell market, click on that, and then your stop loss. You're gonna click on stop loss right here. And then you're just gonna delete that out, and then you're gonna go back to your cheat sheet, so to speak, right? And then you're gonna look at stop loss is 26930.69. So 23960. What does that say? 26930.69. C2. Hold on. 26930. 26930.69. So that's our stop loss. That's what Dominic wants us to put. 26930.69. Then triple check it. 26930.69. And take profit. I'm gonna go into take profit on. I'm gonna do 2,400. I'm gonna do 4,000 pips. So 4,000 pips is 26475. You guys see where it says take profit 4? That's what I'm gonna go for. I want 4,000 pips out of this trade. 26475. I'm gonna enter here. Take profit.
Oh, your screen, D.
Oh man, I don't know. When I try to go fast, I think that's when it messes up. Sorry. Hold on.
But basically, we just type in 26475 at take profit. So you're literally copying and pasting.
Yeah.
But you guys really aren't copying and pasting. What you mean is you're just memorizing and typing.
Right.
Right. Yeah.
I literally cut and paste, but you're not cutting and pasting. You're just memorizing and typing. Okay.
Right.
Or if you're open, like if you have Telegram probably on your laptop, you can copy it. Or no, on your phone too, you can copy it and probably.
That's true. You can copy it. Yeah.
Yep. So you go right here. Well, when I tried to copy it right here, it didn't work. It copied the whole link. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So you'd have to write it on a piece of paper or just
I
remember.
hold it to that. So you can see this is a good day because if on 10 cents, like the 600 pips, that's like $60. Once you got 100 pips, that's like for 10 cents, that's like $120 already.
So take profit 4, 26475. So
You could use your computer and then have your Telegram open on your phone.
Yeah. What I was doing, I know what you're saying. Like, I'll have the Telegram app on your laptop and then look at it from there. Yeah.
Or vice versa. Yeah, if you're on your phone, exactly. You have two devices.
Yeah. So Mitzi, do you understand it now? Where you're gonna put that? So
that's not quite what I was actually referring to. I guess it should have been a little more clear. When you had already put in like the sell by market and then you went in to modify, and then when it brought you out of the market because you hit that level. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, what's your question? Yeah, I know what I did when I did that part, but what's your question on that?
How do you do that? I mean, I guess I blinked or something because I missed that.
Oh, so what we're doing right now is pretty much that's what's going to happen when it says take profit. Once the market hits that number 26475. Oh, it took me out again. Hold on.
I guess I was talking about the Bitcoin because that's what we was playing with a while ago. That's the only thing that's live.
Right. We can go back on there real quick. Let's go on the live one.
If you have time, can someone share from an Android? Because I don't see stop loss or take profit.
Oh, I don't got no Android over here, Dina.
I got an iPhone too.
Yeah, I don't.
If anyone has an Android, can help Dina out.
I have one. I have to go back into my account.
What you'll have to do, Alicia, is you're gonna have to actually. Alicia, you're gonna have to log in from your. You're gonna have to log into Zoom from your Droid.
That's okay. No, that's all right. We don't have to do all that.
Well, if you're trying to figure it out, and she could help you do it for sure.
They still make Androids? Joke. I'm just playing.
Hey, I thought we couldn't. But when you have on your computer, weren't they saying that you had to have a PC?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can't.
It's more accurate on the PC, so you can't do it from a Mac.
Yeah, a laptop is okay, but not a Mac.
You could do it from iPhone, from your phone, but not
Right.
from my actual laptop. Yeah. So, Mitzi, where you at? Did you leave us?
No, I'm right here.
All right. This market it just moves so slow though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm officially not trading on the weekends.
Could that be a good thing if it moves slow?
Not for me.
Nah. I don't
Just
know.
because the money moves faster? Is that preference?
I like movement. I need
You like to make
volatility.
the money fast and go out fast.
Yeah, I want to be able to go. So my goal is, and I haven't even shared this with Isla yet, but my goal is to go into the market for 15 seconds. Me and Simon talked about it. If you could go into the market for 15 seconds per day, 15 seconds per day, and make $500, that is astronomically life-changing. 15 seconds per day. That's how fast these markets move. I
Yeah.
don't know what the hell? How come it keeps not sharing it?
Especially the NAS, like the big companies, like the tech companies. So
US
fast.
30, US 30
Yeah,
moves
US
quick
30.
too. That's what Dominique was trading last night. It moves really quick. You'll see
But
once
you definitely wouldn't be a day trader or swing trader.
right. Exactly. No, ours would be called we're a 15-second trader. We just come into the market for a good time, not a long time.
There you go.
So that's what they mean by sniper too, right?
Yeah.
Because you go in and
Sniper.
out, that
Exactly.
terminology? Okay.
That's the perfect wording. So I want to be able to master sniper trading. Come in really quick, get my goal, $200, $300, and then get out.
Yeah, and then the sniper traders, they don't trade a lot. Very few trades.
I think what three times a week, huh, Simon? That's where we're watching.
I've heard that with a lot of the traders, they don't even trade every day. It's just a few times a week, and that's enough for them.
Yeah.
Is that what we're going to get in the back office with the Sniper Academy?
I think
I believe so.
Yeah. There's a lot. I mean, we can't tell you what's coming up, but there's a lot that's coming up. Yeah, just know that it's going to be exciting.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't see that Sniper Academy when I was in the back office.
No, it's not there yet, but yeah,
Okay.
there's a lot of stuff coming though. Okay, so
Hey,
wait.
how do you
I
guys
lost my
address
track.
the,
What was I doing, Mitzi?
I don't like right there where you're at when you double clicked on one and you hit modify.
Oh, you wanted me to show the stop loss on here. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so stop loss. Let's do one so we could take me out the market. Okay. So this part I'm still trying to understand it too. So what I want to do is, because I went into a sell market, it's only making money when it's going down. So let's do 107. Let's say 27. You guys can't see it. I went out and it took me out. Dang it. It took me out the market. Okay. I don't know why it's not showing you guys like right when I did it. Hold on. It took me out right when I put it in the stop loss. So hold on, let me try it again with you guys. I don't know if it's because it's moving too fast for some reason or whatever.
While you do that, Derek, I just want to share that they had updated the calendar too in the back office, so you can see when the live trading sessions are and then who is actually going to be training. So like you can see that it's an intermediate or at 7 a.m. This one's a beginner educator, so you can log into the back office and see the updated calendar.
It looks pretty good too.
Yeah, it does.
Didn't they have that before, Aya? I saw that before where, or was it that it was the Asian market was intermediate, I mean, a beginner and London was advanced. Are you saying that the actual trainer?
Yeah, they have the trainer listed because before we didn't know who was going to be the training on the session. So now when you log into the back office, it tells you who will be on. So like Derek and Simon, they like Dominic, so then they know, okay, I'm gonna log on to the London session with him.
I like whoever's making money. That's who I like.
Yeah, we like to be like that. 7 figures? Who's that? Isla, you know him?
David Schinkel. He's the 7-figure trader.
7-figure trader. Wow.
You haven't watched him yet, right, D?
No, he hasn't been live, but remember we seen his pips and it was like 5,500 pips or something crazy. So Mitzi, you see this right here? I entered 10,732 on stop loss. So once it gets to 10,732, that means that it's going to take me out the market.
So you have to leave this up like this for it to do it?
No, you got to click on modify. I only left it like this because once I click on modify, it's going to go out. So look let's do
It's
10
not letting me
7.
click modify.
Let's do 10 7. Ah, dang it. See, it did that again.
Can you just show your camera?
Boy, you won't
Like,
be able to see it really. Like it's not going to be as clear, you know? Are you saying
right.
show my camera from here like this?
Yeah, it's not that clear.
No, it's not going to be clear. I wonder if I can hook up my USB to the computer. I don't know if that works like that. All right, here we're gonna try it again, Mitzi.
Maybe go slower.
Yeah.
'Cause
So
it's not letting me modify.
why is that?
I don't know, like the little button's not even lit up.
You have to probably put it higher then or lower.
Well,
Whatever.
I put in the same number you did.
It's not clicking red for you.
No.
So it should click red. See how it's gray right now?
Uh-huh.
Then you got to put in the number. Once you do that, then once it hits this number, it's going to take me out the market. That means I'm losing money. I'm not going to lose more than 10,720. Did it work for you?
Okay, so I clicked 10720 and it's still not.
Are you on this specific BTC USD?
Yes.
What kind of phone you have?
iPhone.
Should work because it's working for me. Look. But why? How come yours doesn't have the graph on the bottom?
It does.
So stop loss 10,720. 10,720. Oh, maybe did you actually go into the market though?
Did you trade?
Did you trade?
Yes. See, it's that bottom one is the one I had clicked on to modify.
Oh, you did trade. Okay.
Huh.
So click on it again. It should work though because I just tried it right now and it worked for me.
Okay, and I hit the modify and that's where it goes.
So go back and move back a little bit, just a little, so I can see. It's kind of glary. What does it say right there? 10, 17, right?
10,717, yes.
10,7. All right, type 10,720 again.
10,0720.
10,720.
Oh yeah, 10,720. Okay, I did, and it's still gray.
All right, go back out of your screen. Maybe you can get out the screen. Get out that area. Go out and then come back in. Like it might be your app or something. Because it's working for me.
Okay, I went out of it good. I don't even know where it's at.
Anybody have any other questions before we get off here?
How do you get back to it?
Go back to MetaTrader 4.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
And then you're gonna click on the bottom left. You're gonna click on actually you're gonna go on trade. You're gonna click on the middle. It says trade.
Oh, okay, I found it.
And then go ahead and go back to whichever one you're at. Then click on modify. Then you're gonna type in a number 10,720, and it should click up modify red.
No.
Maybe you should uninstall your app and then reinstall it.
Yeah, because I'm following along and I was able to change it and the button turns red.
Does yours work, Simon? Anybody else works? You guys try? Are you guys doing this with us?
I don't know. Sometimes when my apps don't work, I uninstall them and then reinstall them.
10720101070.
I have a question while you're waiting. So tomorrow, is she allowing, I mean, how elementary, is she allowing the extremely elementary, or should you at least look like you've been doing a little homework, or what's her gauge?
I don't know. You just got to be there.
No, you know what I'm saying.
Wait, did you say that again? What is her training going to be on?
No. So with the Q&As, because if you get somebody on there, is she expecting that you've never opened up anything before, so your questions are going to be very juvenile, or does she expect that you've at least been doing some practicing?
Right. And that's why, that was actually the reason why we wanted to get on here, so that we all have some more knowledge.
Felicia, are you asking because you have a guest on, right?
Well, no, actually, but that's actually a good point. But okay, like when you're training, you want to know who your audience is. And if you're talking at a intermediate level and you've got all beginners, everything that you say is going to go over everybody's head.
Oh,
so
yeah,
no,
she definitely knows that we're all new. So we said it, Forex for beginners, and we asked her, like, should we be giving them some type of like knowledge, or what could we do to prep them to meet with you? And she said that's great. If you guys want to do like a training beforehand, like, so they at least have their MetaTraders open. We didn't know where everyone was at, even with the MetaTrader. So she knows that it's definitely going to be a beginners for Forex training. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't get your question. I don't understand what you're talking about.
No, that's fine. That's fine, because you brought up a good point. I'm assuming that the guests are just going to be listening anyways, because they're not in. So I don't care about that. I just want to know. I don't want to embarrass us by, if we were supposed to know a little bit and then we say, well,
no, she knows. Yeah. Okay. And she's super nice. So she's so helpful. She's excited that we're all like hungry to learn, because that's her story too, is she was super hungry to learn it. And that's why she wants to help as many people as possible. So she knows our level is very beginner. And then, if guests want to sit on that's fine, because then they could hear like the type of people that we have access to.
It helps sell the program. To me, it helps sell the program, and it helps with your retention, because if you're telling somebody about this program and you're actually showing them what trading is about, they're less likely to leave when the $99 hits.
Exactly.
So I really think it's important.
Yes, and that's why I'm telling everyone, get all your team on, especially the ones that just came on just to learn the Forex trading side. Like, they need to see the value in it. Like, when they need to hear from people who are making $400 a day, or that it's real.
I'm making money, y'all. Don't count me out. I'm in the blue. Don't count me out.
Aaron,
did you get it to work, Nancy?
Look, I don't know how well you can say that, but on the take profit, I put in 1.01 and it lit up red.
Oh, 1.01? No.
Yeah, and it lit up red. But nothing in the stop loss.
I don't know. What was your lot size?
0.05.
0.05?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you need to put. Hold on.
That's right, Carmen. You better believe it. You better believe it. I can read charts. I don't even know what I'm doing yet. You better believe it, Carmen. The first part is believing. If you believe it already, then you're already halfway there. That's what they say, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
That's true.
That's true.
So I can practice. I could be practicing the stop line.
I don't know, but I know that my chart says blue, Felicia.
I didn't hear what Felicia said.
No, Felicia, that's why Isla posted that link so that you could practice. Corporate sent out a practice link.
No, but I want to hear this whole recording because I missed it from the beginning.
Oh, yes,
I would remember
definitely.
everything.
We will post this for sure.
Okay. Thank you. Isla's my shero. She always hears me and she always understands me. I figure you're married to one of us ADHD people.
I am here and willing to assist as needed. I'm Derek's other pair of eyes and other pair of ears. So.
And the other half of my brain too.
And the other half of his brain.
Mitchie, you get it to work?
I don't know.
We got to help Mitzi out, guys.
As long as you so
tomorrow.
All my stuff is in the blue now.
There
that's
you
all
go.
you want, Mitzi. See?
Just cash it out.
Mitzi, if you stick with DnA, I'm telling you, you're gonna win. So you're in the blue now. That's all you got to worry about. Let that thing ride until we get $100 in there.
There you go.
I see. Cheryl, did you say I'm totally lost?
Oh, Cheryl, we're gonna give you the recording. Did you just jump on right now, Cheryl?
I thought I saw her
I've
on
been
earlier.
on, but I've been back and forth. So yes, I'm totally lost on this.
Oh, see, you lost. When you're not plugged in, it's like a light switch. If you turn it off, the light's gonna dim out.
We are going to post this training and I know it's long because we're already on for 2 hours, but
We'll post it. You can watch it.
we'll post it. Yeah.
All I'm happy is that Mitzi's in the blue and she's making money.
There you go, Mitzi. I think you're the only one who trade.
I know. See, that was actual test for all of you guys to actually follow our signals right now.
Now we know.
DnA live signals. See. And look,
Okay, I got to play around with this still.
275. I see you guys aren't going to be able to sleep. When me and Simon kind of figured it out and we were hitting the blues, Mitzi, watch, you're going to get excited. You're going to be like, okay, I'll get it. And it's going to just take time to really understand and mess around with it. But on Mondays and like during the week, you're not going to be able to sleep. How about what we can do is, how can I do this?
We do
Where
it
we all jump
like
on
all
together?
night. That's why I don't know if they can do it. You guys can wake up like until 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Well, what I was thinking is we could do a Zoom. We could all jump on a Zoom and then I don't know how we're gonna watch it though, because I could share the screen and then go to my back office and then we could watch it maybe.
The live trading session?
Yeah, the live. So we'll figure that out on Monday. I'll let you guys know, or Sunday when the market opens. But what I'll do is I'll just put it in the messenger and Facebook. If you guys are up, I'll put the meeting ID, and if you guys want to jump on, we could watch it live together, or then jump on there and then do the trades together, so you can mess around with it. But you got to make sure you have your laptop.
Is that the 11 o'clock one? Is that the 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the Asian one.
The only thing if they give out tips.
Yeah, I'm on.
Not all the time they give out, right?
No, they do in the beginning.
They do?
Yeah, you'll see the signals. That's why you're always just got to be on Telegram.
Okay.
But I think the girl, Elise, the one that's about to be set, she just does the chart. So she's teaching everyone how to do the chart so you can actually.
The chart, yeah.
Yeah, she's doing the charting.
Elise is what did you say about her? She's about to hit what?
7. Coach Max said that she's like really close to being a 7-figure trader.
My goal is a 3-figure trader.
That's not bad, right?
Hey, but look at okay, so let me show you guys something. I'm really excited about this because I don't even know what I'm really doing, but I'm just like looking at it. But watch when we really start knowing what we're doing. It sounds funny, but
You do. You're good at what you've already shared with us so far.
I
So
mean,
you got to give yourself credit for that.
But look at, like, if you just look at that chart and then you could kind of see how like the market is, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it goes up and down. I mean, to some it might just look up and down. But when I looked at it, I was like, okay, this has to drop because it went all the way up and I was sticking around. But I promise you, over the weekend, mark my words, you're gonna see this. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop super, super low. I'm gonna just keep. And what I'll do is I'll keep my my trades on here, and I won't close it out. So look, it already dropped in. Where did I buy at? What was my buy-in at? 10-7-16 and 10-7-15. 10-7-16, 10-7-15. 10. So see, I bought in up here to sell. Look, boom, and look at where the market's at right now. It's lower, so it's going down.
Oh, we don't see it no more.
Ah, dang it! What the heck?
That just means it's going to go back up sooner or later.
No, we want it to go down, Mitzi.
Hey, going down, you can sell going down. So that's a good thing too. Going up, you need to buy.
So I have a question. Who are you? I know it's gonna sound stupid. Who are you selling to, and who are you buying to?
Into the market.
The market.
In the marketplace.
Oh. So those are like brokers and investors buying from you?
Look, it's
Like
the
you're
marketplace. So
saying-
like, you know, Wall Street, all the
Yeah.
banking industries everywhere. It's the marketplace.
The NASDAQ and all that stuff, yeah.
So look at where I'm at. Hold on. Trade. So we're up in the blue. That's all you care about is the blue. 10-15, 10-16. So see, we're already there. 10-15. It just moves so slow for me. The Bitcoin moves really slow. So right here. Where's Linda Martin at? What is it called? Doji?
Doji.
Doji. See? Is there a Doji? Is there a Doji? Doji?
I don't see. Oh, a green one.
Doji Cat.
Yeah.
So for all the candlestick Bible readers, what do you guys see right here? Help me out. Like, tell me.
Me too.
It's not a doji. The green at the top. The green at the top is lower. I feel what you call it. It's one that takes over the green on the left side.
Yep.
It's longer, so therefore it looks like it should go up, but it didn't. It went back down.
What it indicates is that there's going to be a change.
But when you say that, when there's going to be a change by what the candle looks like, do you know if there's going to be a change going up or down?
It depends on the size of it.
Can someone mute out? Somebody's on the phone. It's Felicia. Okay, hold on.
That's not me. I'm just looking at you.
I thought it was because when I muted you, I didn't hear anything, so I figured it was you.
No, I'm just looking.
Hold on. All right, it's the last time I'm gonna do it, and then we're gonna log off. Okay. I just wanted to kind of look at this together to see, because I know you guys have been doing the actual reading part of the Candlestick Bible, so then I wanted to find out if you guys seen. Oh wow! Look, it's going down.
Mm-hmm.
How much money have we made, Linda? Okay, so still okay. So okay, go ahead and explain that to me one more time, Linda.
I can't.
You were doing so good. I thought you had it. You were doing good.
I was trying to open my Bible and I can't get it open.
Okay, well, is there any other questions? And we will resume tomorrow. The entire weekend, we're gonna soak this all in.
Yeah,
Cheryl
this is fun.
Recording. It is fun.
It is. I like this. We need to. We're gonna definitely do more of these as we all can collectively get more knowledge and read our Bibles and get in our demo accounts, and we could, help each other get more knowledge on it.
Hey, look, you guys want to see a book Isla bought me?
Yeah.
Look at this. She bought me this book.
I love it.
But he didn't read a single page yet, guys. But look, he's in the blue. He's in the blue.
No, I did. I read the table of contents.
Well, he's
All
in the
right.
blue. That's all that matters, right?
That's right.
Forex for dummies.
He's a hands-on kind of man.
Definitely.
Man, you don't even know how many YouTubes me and Simon watched already of like just different people doing tradings and stuff like that. So you guys have to learn what on certain ways what's best for you for your learning, because everyone learns differently. So, but the main thing I want you guys to take away from tonight is if you are in the blue, you are good. Whether it's a penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 5 pennies, 10 cents, $5, $10, just always know that if you are in the blue, then it's true. That means that you have actually won in the market. So you got to take that and run with it. And again, from what we listen to, don't get greedy in the market. Learn as much as you can, but mess around with this app. You're like, tonight, go into Bitcoin. Go to BTC USD. Go on there. What I want you guys to do, go ahead and figure if you think it's going to go sell or you think it's going to go buy, put that in there and then screenshot it and then send it in the Facebook Messenger. And let's see who's going to catch something in the blue. Okay, you guys all do that. Let's all mess around with this app. Get understanding of it. Don't be scared. It's not your money. It's fake money. So you can go in there, go into BTC USD, find that, and then go in and put some money in your lot size, and then go in and buy or sell in the market. Screenshot it, and then let us know how you did.
And I would also add to that and look at the charts, and then go into your Bible and match what you see in the Bitcoin charts with what you see in the Bible. And then you could start reading or recognizing when you do see certain candlesticks. And then Simon, did you have anything else you wanted to add to before we close out?
I'm good.
Stay in the blue, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, everyone. I hope this was helpful. We are going to see you guys tomorrow at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Make sure tomorrow you have your team members on. You can even have guests if they're willing to jump on. Why not? Let's show them the value of learning a lifelong skill in Forex trading. So 3 p.m. tomorrow. That's a big training. Q&A with Tracy Johnston, who is well knowledged in Forex trading. So Derek, if you want to close this out.
Yep. I'm in the blue. I'm in the blue, y'all. Don't sleep on me. We're going to make a lot of money together. DnA signals coming soon. Follow the epic Forex signals. They work. And the traders that we have in our company are phenomenal. And I'm just excited. I get excited, to learn something new. And like all of you guys are probably super excited. So just be a sponge at this time. Find out different traders that you can kind of vibe with, traders that you understand better. There's going to be some teachers and trainers that you're not going to understand, then you're going to have the ones that you really understand and really like their personality. So you have to find out who you like and who you want to follow. And then again, even go on YouTube, learn about some stuff on there. Like that's all you are right now is just a student. So the more you learn, the more you can earn. And again, don't be afraid to go into your account today after we hang up. Go in to buy, go in to sell, mess around with it, get familiar with it. So then from there, you're going to be able to have the confidence to actually know what you're doing, right? I still don't know what I'm doing, but again, I'm catching pips. I'm in the blue. So thank you guys so much for tonight. Hopefully you guys got some type of value. We will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is 5 p.m. Central for our Central Coast people. And then that will be 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So thank you guys again.
Hey, really quick before you hang up, we have Nicholas who wants to say hi to everyone. He's learning how to his pips. So by the time he's 18, he's going to be a millionaire. Is Nicholas there? Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi, Nicholas.
Hi, Nicholas.
Hi, Nicholas.
Hi.
Nicholas, how old are you?
11.
So there's an 11-year-old already that our founder knows, and he's already making money. So what you're going to do is you're going to tell your mom to put some money in her account, in her live account, and then you're going to trade on there, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
If your mom needs a fake account, you do the real account, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Robin will do the demo, and then you do the real money.
There you go.
That's our future millionaire right there.
All right.
Thank you, Nicholas. All right, you guys have a great night.
All right, family. See you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.
Mom, we're coming to pick up Amaya.
Don't forget to post it.
Yes, we will.